It all begins with a spark that ignites an idea with the power to change everything. For Schluter Systems, that spark was the SCHIENE profile, a simple yet revolutionary concept from Werner Schluter that changed the tile industry forever. From humble beginnings to a global leader, Schluter Systems has evolved into a trusted name in the tile industry. With an extensive product line that spans profiles, membranes, shower systems, and floor heating systems, we aim to set the industry standard while staying true to our core values: customer satisfaction, quality, and innovation. At Schluter Systems, we're driven by a vision for the future, one of constant innovation, impactful education, and a deep commitment to sustainability and energy efficiency. As the construction and design industries evolve, we're dedicated to leading the way, shaping spaces that meet today's needs and inspire tomorrow's possibilities. At Schluter Systems, we celebrate our heritage while looking boldly to the future, fueled by the spirit of innovation that defines who we are. Celebrating 50 years of SCHIENE, Schluter is paving the way forward, pushing boundaries and creating solutions that inspire and elevate the spaces we live and work in. Schluter SCHIENE, the original.